Hey everybody, today we're just going to change out the ShopVac filter. You got this one right here. It is a ShopVac 6-gallon, 22.7 liter, 3 horsepower peak. Has the replacement filters, all those listed on the back. Can you see them all?
Yeah.
Yeah, U90304. This is a 90304.
It's actually all three of those first numbers.
Yeah.
Like all those.
Yes. They're all like crossed over to each other. It's a very simple process. Okay. My filter's already gone because it got wet and destroyed. Here's the part. Ready?
Uh-huh.
All right, everybody. Just a metal mesh on the inside. Fabric filters. They get wet, they destroy. This one's a little nicer than the other one. Let's put that there. Take this bad boy. And you lock it in place. And there you go. Filter changed. I know. What a hard video. There. There you go. And I'm going to give you a link in the bottom below what this costs.
I don't remember, like $6 or something.
$6. Okay? The link part. You can go to the store and look for one, but they ain't going to have it.
Maybe.
Maybe they'll have it, but I doubt it.
Maybe $6, I don't know.
Yeah, they never carry this kind of stuff in the store. Don't know why. So it got it off that Amazon, got delivered. I'll put a link below. You buy it, maybe I'll get 5 cents, 6 cents, 10 cents. Help me, help you, help me. Please subscribe, or a little bit helps during times. And as always, I'm RJ. Seize the day each and every day. Bye-bye.